Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen, I'm gonna cook some shrimp scampi. I love seafood, you guys know that. So I'm gonna do some shrimp scampi. I'm gonna show you my ingredients and let's get to it. So I'm gonna start heating up my skillet because the first thing that I need to do is to melt me some butter. So my first ingredient is butter. Then it's shrimp scampi, so of course I've got some of these these are already peeled and deveined shrimp. So they're huge, look at this. They're jumbo shrimp, so they're nice and big. They're already deveined, they're already peeled. That makes it easy. They're already cooked as well. You buy them frozen like that, they're already cooked, so it's only gonna take a minute to cook. So I've got some fresh garlic, some fresh parsley, I have my salt and pepper, and I have some white wine. So let's get to it. Like I said, first thing I'm gonna do is melt this butter. And while that's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some of my garlic. So I'm doing my garlic. Smash it, pull the skin off of it like that, and then I'm just gonna chop this up real small. And that was a nice big clove, so I'm gonna do one more because shrimp scampi usually has a lot of garlic in it. I'm gonna do one more. Let's get one more of these. And you can have shrimp scampi by itself, or you can eat it with pasta. I have cooked me a little bit of pasta to throw mine on top of. So smash it, get your peelings off of there, and chop it up. I've got about a pound of shrimp that I'm using. And my heat is on medium heat because I don't want my butter to burn. Okay. My butter is almost done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this garlic in there. Oh, that smells good. You know, cooked garlic always smells good, and it's cooking in butter. Oh, Jesus, that smells real good. I'm going to just let that cook for about 30 seconds. You don't have to cook garlic very long. What it's doing is basically releasing its oils right now. And when it's releasing those oils and those smells and flavors, that's what you want. Okay? So what I'm going to do... What I'm gonna do is add my shrimp right after that. Some of these shrimp are still have a little ice on them. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't want water in here, I'm gonna take some paper towel and try and get some of that moisture out of those shrimp before I put them in. Make sure there's no ice on them. Hear that sizzling? It only takes a few minutes for these because they're, like I said, they're already cooked. So we're heating them up. Get a little bit more moisture out of there. There we go. Let's get these working in here. Just stir these up and get me a spoon. Try that. Get me a spoon. stir those up in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my salt and pepper. A little kosher salt. Just a little bit of black pepper. Ooh, I wish you could smell this. Like I said, don't need long to cook, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my white wine next. Gotta take me a sip. There we go. It's just 8 ounces of wine. Next, I'm gonna add my parsley. I see a shell on one of these. They're not supposed to have shells. I'm going to add a little bit more butter. In the beginning, I put a half a stick of butter in there. Now I'm going to put another half a stick. That first half stick was just to cook the garlic. Now this is to give it the flavor. And once our butter is melted, then our shrimp will be done. So while that's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and plate up me a bowl of my pasta that I cooked. I made some angel hair pasta. I'm just gonna go ahead and plate up me some angel hair pasta, and I'm gonna put this right on top of there. A little bit more. There we go. And this is almost ready. Like I said, I just have to wait for the butter to melt, and that's it. You don't want to overcook it because you don't want your shrimp to be rubbery. And like I said, these were already cooked shrimp. So, and I'm cooking it on low, low to medium heat. Okay. So our butter is melted. Look at that. Look at that sauce. Look at those shrimp. Ooh. So I'm gonna just put it on top of some pasta right now. Make sure we get some of that sauce in there. Put one more shrimp because I love a lot of shrimp in my shrimp scampi. I'm gonna give me a fork so that I can taste it. I'll be right back. Look at that, look at that, those shrimp. You can't see the garlic, but it is in there. These are some huge shrimp. Okay, I'm ready to taste. And our sauce is down in the bottom, that buttery garlic sauce with a little bit of white wine. I just want to taste the pasta first. I can get it. Let's see. It's nice and it's buttery. Oh, that's hot. Look at these big old shrimp. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my goodness. Like I said, you eat them by themselves. You don't have to put them on pasta, because this is really good. Yes. So I guess I'm gonna plate up some for the rest of my family. And for those of you who are new to my channel, make sure you go out there, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video coming out. I'm gonna eat this, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye. Thanks for joining.